Hi, it's Claudette with Claudette's Charms, back with another video finally after a month, which I can't believe it's been that long, but I'm back, everybody. Hi, missed you all. Welcome, everybody, all my new subscribers, old subscribers, everybody, thanks for tuning in. Just want to update you on what I've been busy with all month, which is quite a few things. First of all, I made this gorgeous, scrappy shawl. Joined my friend Angelia over at Crocheting House Mouse. She was my inspiration, as she is with many things. You guys need to check her out. I will link the pattern below in the description box, or I might put a info card up so you can link to it if you're interested, and I'll put a link to Angelia's channel too, so you can check her out. But I just love how it came out. Just basically used my scrap yarn and did all the same colors in the fringe. The fringe is all the way around, just on the bottom. So that was really fun. And then I showed you this before, my Tunisian crochet blanket that I started. It's on Tony with TLC Crafts. It's on her channel. I think it's called the Pilsen Baby Blanket. And I cross-stitched some hearts on some of the blocks. There we go. I think it's going to end up with my daughter eventually after I use it, because she freezes me out in our house in Florida, our apartment. Anyway, so there's that. This is, I did it differently than Tony's. Tony's is all the Tunisian simple stitch, which is this one. But I wanted to do like a sampler blanket and try different stitches. So I did some of these. This is the mesh stitch, and the brick stitch is this one. Did all different ones. I used different people's channels too, not just Tony's, but Ron Strong has a channel. This is, I think, called the full stitch. Anyway, I love how it came out. It's just kind of a lap blanket, and I did the border that Tony did on hers. So I don't know if you can see that. So pretty. And I blocked it, kind of loosely blocked it, but you do have to block Tunisian crochet. It does curl. The only thing I found with Tunisian is it really hurts my hands. My hands go numb a lot. So using the long hook and the way you have to hold it tightly, it just really kind of wreaked havoc. So I doubt if I'll do Tunisian again, but oh my God, it makes this like fabric feel. It's so thick and it's going to be so warm. It's just beautiful. But if you haven't tried it, definitely try it. It's really fun if your hands don't go to sleep on you. If you don't have a hand problem, definitely you'll love it. I also did this. It started as a pillowcase for one of my throw pillows behind my chair, behind my back. But I just ended up, because my hands were hurting so bad, I just ended up, I'm using it here as an elbow throw kind of thing. So there we go. I may or may not do the other arm. I'm not sure. We'll see how I go. The other arm for the couch, but we'll see how my hands do. But anyway, what else? I started the Mighty Mile a Minute with Jada and Stitches, and also Angelia from Crocheting House Mouse is doing one. But I did mine a little different. I'm not just doing one strip a month. I did a bunch, and I have a bunch more strips I have to join. And I didn't like how thick the border was that she had, so I used another border, and I'll have that linked below. It's, oh, I wrote down her name. She also has a Mile a Minute blanket on her channel. Let's see, The Secret Yarnery, Krista. And I did her method of joining, but I did Jada and Stitches the first month that she did. It was this stitch, and I liked that, and I did them for all the colors. The yarn I'm using is, most of it's I Love This yarn, or Red Heart, or Walmart yarn. But then for the in-between, I'm doing this chunky, it's called Puzzle Yarn by Premier. I got it at Walmart. This color is It's dominoes. They name them after puzzles or games. This one's a 5, bulky. So I'm using that one for in between some, and then this one for in between some of the other ones. I'm just alternating it. This is also Premier Puzzle, and it is Hangman is the name of the game, I guess, that it's named after. So you can get these at Walmart, and they're a bulky 5. So that's what I'm doing there. And it'll be an ongoing through the year project. I put it aside for now because I'm doing some other stuff. But also I had showed you before on the straight loom, I was doing this as an Afghan. Now I think I might just do it as a, like a little shrug kind of scarf thing. I may put like a button here. I don't know, it's really cute. We may be moving to North Carolina, so it's going to be colder there. Or I might turn it into a cowl, I don't know. But I'm too bored to keep going with the Afghan thing. I'm done with Afghans for right now. This thing keeps falling off me. Anyway, then the next thing I did, or I'm actually, these are 2 WIPs. Those were my finished, well, I guess the Mighty Mile a Minute was a WIP. This I'm making for my daughter as a pillowcase, pillow cover. And the back is going to be pink. But I ran out of pink, so I have to get that at Walmart. It's their cotton yarn, their baby cotton yarn. It's really soft. And I did this heart. There's several videos, kind of combined them to do the heart with the half double crochet as the stitch. So I think that came out really cute. And then I'm just doing the border in pink and then the back in pink. So that's a WIP. And then the next WIP I have is, oh gosh, I wrote it down. Where is it? Sorry. Alicia at Little John's Yarn. I'm doing this top. It's called The Easiest, oh, what's it called? Oh, I didn't write it down. I think her description is the easiest crochet top ever. And it is pretty easy. It's just double crochet and chains. Kind of like a, I don't know, do they call that granny stitch? Or shell? I don't know. But anyway, it's basically going to be a rectangle. Then you sew up the sides up to the armhole. Here's the front and the back. And then you keep going to however long you want it. So it's really simple. It's so soft. Okay, I know these colors are kind of strange together, but I'm trying to use up my yarn. And I had, at Michael's, I found this Loops and Threads yarn, cotton cream. It was on sale a while back. This one is Pink Rose. There's the tag, and it's kind of all discombobulated now, but that's what that is. And it's so soft. You do have to hand wash it though, but it's really going to be cool for the Floridian summer. Hopefully we'll only be here one more summer, but this is also the Loops and Thread Cotton Cream, it's called, but it's light gray. So doing that, and I might do a top for underneath, like a, I don't know, what do you call those? Tank top kind of thing. We'll see. I might just buy me a hot pink tank top to go under it. But so that's what I've been busy with. There's a couple more things. I'm going to do a couple more videos today. I wanted to break them into separate videos to show you some other things that I'm going to be doing. So I will do those other videos and upload one tomorrow and one the next day. And they're going to be really short. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. I hope you guys have been well. I've been watching all your videos. I keep up with all of you guys that crochet. So I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for sharing everything that you share and do. And thanks for listening and subscribing. And I hope you're all doing well. And I'll talk to you again tomorrow and the next day. Thank you. Bye.